Takes me to my roots like a daisy summer bloom. Got me thinking about you. Every time it takes me to my roots.
4 years ago, when I met this community, this company, just because of the pandemic, I am here. During that time, isa ako sa nawalan ng trabaho. All I thought na kapag nagkaroon ka ng degree, cum laude pa, mas mabilis ka magkaroon ng trabaho at mas maganda yung sahod mo. Akala ko lang pala yun. Because my first job, sumahod lamang po ng almost 9,000 sa loob ng isang buwan. My first job is my first disappointment. Hindi ko inakala na ganun lang pala kalaki yung magiging sahod ko. Sabi ko sa sarili, baka pang first move, pang first job. Kaya hinintay ko mag second month, mag 3 months, hindi man tumaas yung sahod. Kaya kinain ko po, nilunok yung pride ko. Pumasok ako ng isang industriya na hindi ko linya. Before I met this business, I'm a former ESL teacher. 4 years in that industry kasi feeling ko maganda na yung sahod. First job from 9,000 to kinain yung pride, nilunok yung ego, nagiging teacher from business administration na degree, sumahod ng 20, maximum of 30,000 per month. It was really in my heart and in my mind to put a business, but I do not know what kind of business. So, ang isang 23 years old, wala pong pangpuhunan. Here comes year 2020. During that time, nawalan ako ng trabaho. Nakita ko ng post, Facebook post ng isang stranger. Siguro, lahat ng mga pumasok dito sa taong 2020, nagsimula tayo sa 3-letter word na how. Paano? Nagtanong ako sa kanya, how to, what's that? Ano yung post niya na pwede daw kikita kahit naka-lockdown? During that year 2020, that was really a worst disaster. Sabi nga ni, nakalimutan ko yun, what seems to us as bitter trials are often blessings in disguise. Kasi COVID na COVID, nawalan ako ng trabaho, nawalan ako ng direction sa life, but I met a global group of companies. 3 months and 24 days after joining this company, I was able to earn my first million. I was 5 long years in the corporate world. Kinumpute ko yung naging sahod ko. I only got 960,000. But within global group of companies, 1 million in 3 months and 24 days only. And of course, I am really loud and proud to tell the crowd now that because of this company, ang isang anak ng magsasaka at nag-try lang sa ganitong klaseng industriya, 8 months of doing this company, I was able to buy my first brand new car in cash. Who would have thought at 23 years old na nagsimula sa ganitong klaseng industriya that no prior knowledge, no prior idea, but on the second year na tinodo, trinabaho natin ang negosyong ito, I was able to buy that Ford Mustang still in cash. Why na push ako mag-buy na yan? Kasi yung taong nag-invite po sa akin, college dropout, pero may Mustang. Cum laude, walang sasakyan. Sabi ko, pag dinala niya sa office yung Mustang niya, ang daming nagpapapicture. Dinala ko yung sasakyan na yun sa kung saan-saan. Wala namang magpa-picture sa MG. Sabi ko, anong meron sa ganyang klaseng sasakyan? So, yun, namulat ako that, that kind of sasakyan, hindi pala siya basta-basta binibili lang, especially mga normal na empleyado. But because of this company, nabili natin yan. That car represents my decision 4 years ago. Naniwala sa isang stranger na pinaghawhawan natin, dinala tayo sa isang Ford Mustang bought in cash. ito. With this company, nakapunta tayo not just local na mga travels, but nakapunta tayo ng Singapore, nakapunta ng Malaysia. Lahat po libre ng ating community. With this company, I was able to buy an overlooking lot in Cebu. Binili natin in cash. We are now on our ongoing construction. Ito na po siya. And our contractor is telling us, early next year, matatapos na po. Bayad na po yan, like 3/4 sa cost, total cost ng bahay na yan, bayad na po. In this company na nandito ka ngayon, nakaupo ka ngayon, na hindi mo pa ma-figure out why ako nandito, I'm one of the many people na binago yung buhay because of this company. Above all, sa lahat po ng naging achievement ko sa buhay, achievement after achievement, money after money because of this company, what I am so proud, ang isang ako na nagsimula sa negosyong ito, I was able to surprise my parents. A Montero car brought in cash. Hindi ko talaga makalimutan. Biniro ng sister ko yung parents namin. Sabi niya, bibigyan daw sila ng sasakyan, but they couldn't believe kasi I have my own family already. But I made it just this year, Montero Car in Cash, because of our company. Isa lang talaga yung mahabilin ko sa inyo ngayon. I thought just because of the pandemic I'm here. I felt this is redirection of my life. Thank you, Lord!